We're here at Options Insurance today with some questions we get from first-time home buyers. We're here with Nick Homuth. Nick, what should first-time home buyers consider when they're looking for their homeowner's insurance?
I would say the first thing you should consider is finding the right agent. There's a difference between captive agents and brokers. Of course, we here at Options, we're a broker. So making sure you're comfortable with an agent is, I think, the most important thing, since they're the one that's going to help steer you and guide you in the right direction as far as coverages and finding the right policies.
What do you tell people that try to do it themselves online?
Tell them you're wasting a lot of your time. Time is valuable. So why spend your time when you can have a broker that's going to do it for you. Especially Options, we have over 16 different carriers that we work with just on the personal line side. So we can take that shopping off of your plate.
Save them a lot of time.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Any pointers on deductibles for homeowners insurance?
Yeah, well, with first-time homeowners, I spend quite a bit of time talking about deductibles just because people use their insurance differently. Obviously 75% of all claims are going to be your wind and hail. The other 25% is anything that happens inside the home. That could be a burst of water pipe to a small fire in the kitchen. So when you're thinking deductible, clearly that's what you pay up front, before insurance kicks in. Some people like that carry a higher deductible and kind of self-insure because anything that's not storm related, that is going to rate you up over the next 5 years. So if you can try to, obviously lower your claim frequency, and obviously raising your deductible, then you're going to pay lower premiums. So there's a strategy to that, and that's something that if you want to call and talk to me about, we can definitely go over. So,
how do you know how much to insure the home for?
Well, with every home we do it's a replacement cost total. So it's an evaluation that we run through a software, which every carrier's different. They come up with a different total. So that's why, we input all the characteristics of the house, and once we input in, that information, it'll tell you what the approximate value is of the house, or I should say the approximate replacement cost value of the home is, which is different than the market evaluation of a house. So, yeah.
Any extras or endorsements you like to add for homes in Minnesota?
Absolutely. I would say the number one is water sewer backup. A lot of people don't even know what that is or how that coverage works. And so give you an example, the most common claims that are covered under that particular coverage would be like a sump pump backing up, flooding out your basement. What people don't know oftentimes when I'm talking to people, which I'm pretty surprised, is that coverage not only has to go for all the build back, so all the sheetrock, flooring, etc. that needs to be replaced, but it also has to cover also your personal belongings that were damaged. So if you have a nice finished basement, TV, couches, etc., it also has to cover all those items that were lost.
Great, a lot of good info. How can people reach you with questions?
You can reach me at nick@options-insurance.com, or there should be a number down here.
Sounds good.
If not.
Thanks for sharing.
Absolutely.